What's up, YouTube? I want to show you guys this new Dremel I bought. Basically a review, not really an unboxing because I've already used it. But this is their new battery powered 8220. I picked these up at Lowe's. This is what I use to engrave speaker enclosures. But overall, I really like it. Way more convenient than the corded one. Pull it out here and show you guys. Have my engraving tip in it. A little dusty from me using it. Here's your speed select, your battery indicator. This is the off and on. Fully charged. And it's got like a braking system, so if you kill it, it shuts it right off. And then this cool feature here, if I could do it with one hand, when you unscrew this, you can put it up here onto the chuck itself, and then if you lock the chuck with this button here, then you can spin your actual chuck to change your bits, so you don't have to use that little wrench that it comes with. But it does come with that wrench, and you put it in this slot here, but half the time everybody loses them, so that's a really cool feature. Here's some odds and ends of the tools they give you. There's the little wrench. Open it up for you guys. Yeah, that's really it. I think it weighs a total of 5 pounds with the battery. But for me, it's not that bad. You can kind of hold it like a pencil. I mean, I guess if you were engraving for a few hours, your hand would get sore, but it's better than dragging the extension cord out. So, once again, that's the Dremel 8220. If you have any questions about it, I'm still new with it, but I'm sure by the time I get comments that I'll be more familiar with it. So just ask me questions and I'll respond. Trying to show you guys the box. Alright guys, take care.